In this tutorial about HTML, I will show you how to write a link and make it clickable on your web page. You open the bracket a href equals you open this, the name of the website, you close the brackets, you type the name of the website, you close. Here it means that it is clickable. To give you some order in the web page, I put a paragraph in the middle. Here we click DuckDuckGo, we go to this search engine, we click Google, we go to Google search engine. And this was how to write a website inside HTML, the link to a website.